Jalup jatend piny ngire Kithure Kindiki okwayo kembe kod jogo mabende chiwo sir e chenro mag dongruok e pacho kae mondo miyo mipek agenda mar bottom up economic transformation agenda ka giketo maino margi e loso thuolo mag tije, dongruok mar sekta ma ji giwegi kod kedo kod midhiero mabende kelo kod lokruok mar kor lwasi.
Our DPF today should invariably lead us to adopt a whole of society approach in leveraging funds through coordinated structures to maximize impact, reduce duplication, improve governance, and strengthen linkages among interconnected projects. As we gather here today, our goal is to deepen ongoing reforms, strengthen the use of county systems, improve absorption rates, and ensure that every shilling of ODA is fully aligned with Vision 2030, the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, and the medium-term plan for priorities.
Ngire Kindiki owacho ni piny Kenya kali midhiero mathoth kendo jiwo sira mopogore opogore mabende biro dino fuok mantie.
Development demands in Kenya and many countries far outweigh the available resources. The government is therefore implementing its commitments in partnership with yourselves, not only in alignment with our foreign policy, but also to support the fulfillment of our development objectives. The job creation and income opportunity agenda has become a critical anchor in our programming going forward. Thus, it is important to review existing programs for purposes of evaluating their currency and responsiveness to this agenda of job and income creation and other priority programs within the context of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda.
Ogai mara